Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Resin Beautiful. I have seen alphabet M. I like it and want to make it. So I decided to make alphabet M keychain. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. So I will bring for you beautiful ideas with attractive color combination. I am pouring dried flowers. Very beautiful keychain for one of my client. Now I am pouring golden flakes. It is looking very beautiful and pretty. I hope you are enjoying. Very easy to make and a beautiful creation. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.